video ne vipindi bya Gatembe ao ngakiende yonse inyuranga ngwetera ase official channel ya Gatembe TV. Subscribe, comment ase chi video cheto boigo shana basani amune amate ejo baigokie bemanye na wesemia tubase kweba. Turn on a notification bell yani ekengere ejo onyari kubagoko yanyora chingaki abikiri ase omtandao Gatembe Television Network ekinakyo ekeunga kyamamogusie.
Lea Wow Kids Daycare ni kituo cha kulea watoto kuanzia mwaka mmoja na kuendelea, mahali ambapo mtoto wako anajifunza kupitia michezo na kukua kwa furaha. Tunatoa huduma za full day na half day katika mazingira safi, salama na yenye upendo. Tuna wafanyakazi wenye mapenzi, subira na uangalifu wa hali ya juu kwa watoto wako. Lea Wow Kids Daycare tunazingatia potty training kwa ustadi, michezo bunifu na ya kuelimisha, shughuli za kujifunza zilizopangwa kitaalamu, malezi yanayojenga akili, tabia na kujiamini kwa mtoto wako. Tunapatikana Kisii Town, Hema Business Park, second floor, room number 2. Wasiliana nasi kupitia 0714824433 au 0752901005. Lea Wow Kids Daycare, learning through play, growth with joy.
Omugusi bono lishirika lya ubwanjete lya Gatembe Television Network ama na Gatembe FM nigo lyakoretera obukoreri bwayo gucanga nasore tutarere imiye nyumba lya Uhuru Towers lirongo litangani ase bale ku kinsemo kya Kisii kogenda Kisumu agene nyumba ya M Taylor elyo tunyara ko batogusangamo naye nagokinanya bunegisaku kyomugusi. Gatembe FM na Gatembe Television Network ekeneke unga kyamamugusi.
Masoge na indeo mwancho murigire wa Gatembe TV ase biro bya bono muragoba litukeriga rya Jumatatu yechi tariki 2 mutinyi no yogatatu umwaka wega wechiri bubere 2025 nemo. Karibu sana sekionga chinsa cha bono iga tunyariko yasanga na koyatakuna ali agenderete gukorekana ase chinsinyo eriane Matilda Obaigo na Boigo Veninyaboke korwa sense mweli yebe manyerero nanekero tugochaka roiga ase county ya Kisii no robotiro wichania kigema nigo bono mubosokano omobe wepara onyara gukorekana ase chinsemo cha mwembe eyogotoka chinsemo cha menyinko eyogotoka ase county ya Kisii oyo bono oirira abantu babere gosiria magimabo na Boigo na banda bange gotigerwa chingoma ase omubasokano oyo nigo bono egari ya matatu ya nyara ko yetuma eka na kubwaterania epigipigi ase chinsemecho nekero bono batigerwa chingoma bamenyoki gwasenye gitari enene ya Kisii Teaching and Referral banyara konyora obuwenya na Boigo abo babere komenyoki wa ase enkendu nechinga kiecho nigo bono bosombi bwanyara kora kwama ase chinsemecho na Boigo nekero bono obotwerero bwanyara gusabwa elioko obutuki bwanyara gukorekana komanya ninki kerera mu basokano yo mobe gukorekana. Na umawakili George Omorara nigo bono anyari kubatogia aborokia ase chiskuru ao ase emiremo emiya eyo bagenderete gukora yo gusomia abana bake ase chiskuru kuba muno kiragukwanira chiskuru cha junior secondary nechinga kiecho nigo bono anyarire koera buna nigo aborokiwa bari ase chiskuru cha junior secondary batabonete kuruswa ose chiskuru chinchibonete watana no kura ase chiskuru cyoboroso ekiagira nigo gitambukirekyo kiranyare kwirira aboro abaibuli na boigo abateneneri au babana guchaka wakana school fees ya oboya nechinga kiecho nigo bono anyarire gotenena na gotabuna ase amangana siasa ye kaunti ya Kisii mugavana bwe kaunti ya Kisii Muske Paul Simbarati taratene na ndonsi otebobuna tago cha kumusira Dr. Fred Matiang'i nekiratebire eyo siasa enyinge gendrete wako
ingana ngututoreka iyo ntongera serikali itatoreka yoko rusia sukuru torunga junior school ase primary eyobeke kando yende chumna ntwa balimu twaligire mutwaki muna bakuru sugwaroro abayibuli gocha kamwe school fees muni bwetego gocha kamwe sabiyendo keke school fees ngona muta toto chake kwa kaniro school fees grade 6 kake no muta kete aso wanchokula presto kike serikali na kateria maenenga ntorigo chake kwa kaniro school fees as grade 6 abana bali batikale se primary semale paka grade ya kianda bamaniko ya secondary to abuna butuwa kale school fees yaro ndokate bali boyo bale ngabanjele njenga abana bali batikale
bamana sana sobugima bwane mwalimu onde bwensi ora sege ikareke nche George Morara igo nganche tenande ngwa acknowledge abali mu mono sana for the English I speak is because of you. Thank you so much, teachers. Wherever you are, know that you are acknowledged. We advocates, the only other profession or other people that we really acknowledge and respect, it is the teachers that gave us the foundation to be in this profession. Thank you so much, teachers. His Excellency Fred Matiang'i no mano ito. Ekero omosike Fred Matiang'i atemete kuminyo kigune serikali yeyero bonaiga gavana konyorikire suswa agonchure gari akaira na Nairobi chi emitandao njorogeti chibiche chaye karo aba advocate baye batatu kurubusongo erenche oyondo kurukuzel mabonuke no yondo kurukwa Hilary Tom Ongori umano inokuruga agaturangere tutire Nairobi. So obo tukobo no okikwaye no twarengene team yabo Danstan Omari asoko egerera omosike Fred Matiang'i asitayo gavana tenenire na otebona gavana ngopingare Fred Matiang'i.
Na abantu batatu nigo bakagere gusiria mugimabo ase omubaso kanonde omobe bwepara oyokorekana ari tukoria rero chinsa cha mwambi gose chinsa ikome enemo cha rero omambia ase pare nene kurwa somo cha Mombasa uchase omochie o Nairobi korengana na kirori nigo bono chirori bere chanyara gutumana engana yeirera humuriro mutindi woka asigika egitambe nigo serikali ya kaunti ya Machakos yatema gutuma ikiombe kyokoyorimia omuriro yokorende nigo nyara kwira egeka kigima na boigo onyara guteneni obosombi ase chinsemo echo.
Kuna dereva moja inaonekana ni kama either gari ilitereza ama akawa kidogo amekanyanga nje ya barabara, manake kulingana na ile hali ambavyo tumeweza kuidadisi ni kwamba lile gari moja lilikuwa limeweza kutoka nje ya barabara, ni kama ghafla akaweza kuliregesha barabarani na hapo ndio ajali iliweza kutokea. Manake ni kumaanisha kwamba aliweza kugongana na mwenzake na ajali ikatokea mahali pale.
Mwendo wa saa 11:30 hivi hapa Mto Mawe kutoka junction ya Machakos Chumvi kulitokea accident ambayo magari zote mbili zilikuwa zinaelekea Nairobi. Katika hiyo harakati mmoja sijui ni gari ilimshinda kudhibiti ama ilikuwa shida ni nini, ndio akakwaruza mwenzake. Sasa ile impact, katika harakati ile impact mwenzake akalala pande ile ya kushoto, pande ile ya kulia, huyo mwenzake gari ikapata moto. Kwa hivi sasa gari zenyewe zote mbili, mmoja dereva ameokolewa, lakini hii mwingine wote wawili ilikuwa na watu wawili na wameungua ndani.
Kwa majina naitwa Isaac Meto, dereva masafa marefu. mwendo wa saa 11 asubuhi kulikuwa na ajali hapa. Gari zote zilikuwa zinaelekea pande Nairobi. Gari moja nafikiri dereva alishinda kuidhibiti na ikaanguka. Yule mwenzake pia ikawa pia alikuwa akakuja na akaipata akaigonga. Kwa maana alikuwa ameifunga barabara, nafikiri naye hakuiona ama ilikuwa ni kitu abruptly ilikuja ghafla. Sasa kitambo ifunge breki, basi ikawa ndio hiyo ameifikia. Akaitawanyisha yote mbili, kichwa upande mwingine, trailer ikaanguka upande mwingine na moto ikashika hivyo.
Na umukonyi w'umurai wense musike Kithure Kindiki nigo bono anyare gutobuna ense ya Kenya nenyare gutwara kinyagitari kirakonye abarwire njira chionsi nekiratebire buna abarwire abange nigo babeire bakogenda se kinyagitari kirare kigima konyora obowenya ingana etarababya ase bare nigaya kwana iga korwa ase nyagitari ya level 6 ime county ya Meru usenyagitari ya Meru level 6 chingaki egenderete kwa gacho.
We are going to have all the facilities that we require for treatment of critical and chronic illnesses, for the treatment of cancer, the treatment of heart diseases, the treatment of kidney diseases, and any other disease, so that the residents of this region will have no reason to travel to Nairobi or to travel elsewhere for any kind of treatment. So we are going to get the best specialists, doctors, we are going to get the best medical personnel and the best facilities. And we are running this program simultaneously in the sense that as we develop the physical facilities, like the buildings we are putting up, we are also working to equip or to source for equipment at the same time, so that as the buildings come up, we'll just come and start installing the equipment. Modern MRI equipment, CT scans, and all the other complicated equipment that we require. And we are going to have quite a significant renal unit for kidney diseases and a cancer center. All those things, equipment, facilities, HR alignment are happening at the same time. So there is no cause of alarm. Otherwise, I thought I should come and say...
Na omunachivi na omonene omoske Martha Koome nigobono abwatokiro roboti buna ebine binge ase bigambiro ime yense ya Kenya nigobono bibwaterenetie amangana yeme basokano yechipara engana bono abolire buna enyare kurigererirwa asobo ime mono nebyombe aho biri bitenenete amangana traffic naboigo noborendi ime yense ya Kenya chingaki Ose nigo ayakwana yaiga kurase amagacho ikulo enene chingaki baumerana nebikundi ao eri gukwanira enjira ebigambiro imensi ya Kenya biranyara kwena na obokoreri obuya na boigo obwobwene kuchase abakenya bonsi.
Road traffic accidents and fatalities, Your Excellency, remain high. I'll give a glimpse of what we have gone through recently. For instance, the financial year 2024-2025, 62,932 traffic cases were filed in courts. This comprised careless driving at 704, causing death at 787, contravening insurance at 3,509, county traffic rules violations at 69, driving under the influence at 2,991, obstruction at 6,917, violations of required speed limits at 556, and other offenses at 47,400. A similar trend has been realized also in this current year, where we have already registered 33,532. We realize many of these traffic offenses can be dealt with administratively, which means they can be removed from the criminal aspect of traffic offences and be dealt with administratively. I'll be coming to that shortly.
Asengane yo mwancho muligirire nigo umurai ewense muske William Ruto wono aire wizara y'obosombi umutinyo yo moboka eryo lichiko lyogwa kwa fine gose abali baranyore bakubwateranirwa na mangana yo kubuna machika para banyale kwa fine nabo igo asense muyende amamocho apara buna bono okoenana nabo igo sangireria maki naro anyale kumurekerwa kegima hwetira chikamera echibono atebiruna chibonete gutuka chigokore mirimo asichi para chinene gose chimenene ime yense ya Kenya nekiratebire igitambukire kyo nigo kirachikokonya kuguswania mebasokano ya para nabo igokoreta ubwatsioku.
I have always wondered why we have taken forever Davis, the Minister of Transport and team. Why don't we enforce the instant fines program? Why haven't we rolled out the cameras on our roads? You know, it is just as simple as that. We have a new guy at NTSA. I hope he's here. Yes, we have this new guy at NTSA. It is my position, Waziri, that within the shortest time possible, let us roll out the cameras. We've been discussing this forever. You know? When can we have the cameras on the roads, Davis? You haven't answered my question, Davis. When? When? Let's cut it to the chase.
Because of the investors program, let's give it a maximum of
1 month.
1 month. Thank you.
It has to be 1 month.
Thank you.
I know it can be done within 1 month.
We'll do it, Your Excellency.
So.
Wancho muligere ayuna yenda mwange yenyora senchira engekirano kima gikoraga chinsa ibere na boyo chinsa enye chalero omaragoba kurende tubose guska ikyagera umurobere ole bosyo no umurobere obwekerorano rale tuasore nere onkorogo kebacha nere makopio Jenkoro kwa Matilda Ovaigo veni nyawoke korase bimanyerero funa butambe na korase studio ya kabere nere Kevin Ongeri chibichana mariogi asenchira ere eya bene gendera kubwatia Gatembe TV chingaki chonsi.
Ne, noga niko kolerwa live stream